final piece of the puzzle.
Green banana give you high hand, man. Green banana give you high hand. Green banana good for your kidney. Your kidney prostate, your kidney.
It's an important one.
Yeah, man. Your kidney. Green banana help kidney problem, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. So anybody have no kidney, you just come to Jamaica, come eat green banana. Bless up on the Rasta kitchen. This a kidney banana and kidney business, you know.
Kidney business.
Yeah, man. If your kidney not function right also, have bad kidney, banana will make you live. Little more. Darling, something, man. Your kidney, man. Boiled banana.
Getting a little too full.
When you water, I don't want to go to about my fire, you know?
Yeah. How's it going, Junior? Good? Nice. God, the colors of this backdrop too, having the red, green, and gold to go against,
Oh, yeah.
it's just, it's too good. It's
And the cocoa, exactly. All against red.
mm. Hot. Oh yeah, Mokko, I'm getting some new angles, dude.
All angles, you know?
Full up, full boat, full yacht.
Me said it cause another soul to let the good time roll. Lord of mercy.
Hello.
Selfish one.
Hello. So this fish had quite the journey yesterday.
Yes. Took it 2 trips to get here.
Mm-hmm. So Marc, I'm gonna get you to tell the story of the fish. So
Mackerel fish, man.
we went to this market in Marembe. We got the fish. It's looking good. We got all our other stuff from the store. And then we were waiting for our man, Danny, to give us a ride back. And we almost got back to the yard, and what happened?
Mokko, you take out the fish. I said, what the hell, Danny? I give you the fish, man. I give you the fish. And you carry the fish going on and tell us the fish. Happy with dinner, man. Then now Danny call back. And say, yo, somebody in the store take up the fish, man.
Which is still amazing. Like, someone somehow tracked us down to call us and say, hey, your fish has got left in the grocery store. So we actually planned to have this meal last night.
Last night.
But due to...
Doesn't work.
didn't work.
No.
Yesterday was a bit of a day full of fuckery.
Fuckery, you know. No problem. No good, no vehicle. Nico Bam Bam after going on the vehicle back. So many, this man ever drive with so many people.
Yeah.
In a one little car.
Yeah, we had it jammed in both ways pretty good.
Come on.
We've done a really nice salt mackerel dish before, so this is just the fresh version of that, yeah?
Fresh mackerel from the sea, you know. From the ocean, fresh mackerel. So, we Gonna prepare it tonight. Not really. Dog, they drink that, they get strength.
Yeah, they
Power.
love it.
I love it. And
Mm-hmm.
See?
fish, mackerel.
Tinka tune this.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
What's there not to like?
They're softening up a bit. It's so interesting, you know, like, because the ripe banana is so soft and would just fall apart, but these ones are nice and green and hard, and they get very potato-like, you know? That's what I compare them to.
Tinka cook down there, you know. Sooner or later we eat.
Sounds good to me.
Yes,
I see Rasta Man's secret ingredients.
Jump on.
I don't have to ask about these ever again. Scallion and thyme.
Yeah.
Come together, scent it nice, flavor it nice. There's probably like 10 videos where I'm asking you about scallion and thyme. And my favorite, garlic.
Yes, sir.
I love garlic.
Stop flinging the stone, boy. You want to fling them down the road, Ratty? I said, you know, I'm more ice cream. And I tell them what to do and buy it on the cake. Don't call me no more. Bluetooth.
And this is Love at the Puppy, all grown up with her own puppy.
What's going on now?
Oh, yo.
How much does it cost for a bundle of scallion and thyme?
50, 100. $100, yeah.
So that's about $1 Canadian. Hey,
Move on, David, alright. Move, get ahead. Move.
is that a song?
Yo, right in on that.
Onion.
You don't like using a cutting board, Mokko? You like it doing it in your hand?
Move from here, summer man. Where you want to move?
Nobody knows that. Wait.
Yeah. That is it.
That's the flavors we need for the fish.
I will get flavor out of it.
It's true. What's that stuff?
Maggi?
No, Maggie.
Maggie?
Maggi?
Yeah.
Can you hold up that one? Chicken noodle. Just a little bit. For people complaining about additives and blah blah, there's barely any in there. And hey Maggie, maybe Maggie should sponsor us. Or Maggie, you know what? Maggie, why don't you start making some ital, all natural, no salts, no MSG flavorings. That'd be a good one. Uh-oh, it's a Nestle Corporation thing. Ooh!
Yeah.
Don't poke the bear.
My guys all over the world.
Yes.
Everywhere.
They probably own my house and I don't know it.
Right.
And what's that one, Mokko? Is that coconut
Hold on.
milk powder? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So sometimes you like the natural coconut milk if you have it.
But now, I'm not good and I'm coconut, I know.
Well, we're kind of running out of time. So
Yeah. That's the way, brother.
this, you know, I know this is good for people to know because this is a time saver. If you can do your own coconut milk, by all means do it. If not, you can get the can of milk or you can use the powder. And I guess we'll be the judge of the test and see if it's
A good one.
yeah.
Mix it up, throw it in that. Got on serious food tonight, you know. Serious thing tonight, brother. Nice fish, nice food.
And the fish cooks up pretty quick once you have it in the pan.
Young good, this one good just want to boil up fire.
What is that? Water? Fish! The fish there. The fish stand there with a tail.
Don't try it. Don't.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Danny, yeah. Fish tail.
Come here. You see? Look where you do and you throw the stone in the road.
Hey,
Stop it,
Ratty.
Ratty.
Ratty, when's your birthday?
The top of the
My birthday gone.
Yeah, but when is it usually?
Soon come.
When?
March. March is born. March.
So you're turning 5 next March.
Yes. March is born. March.
March the 10.
What to 10?
March the 10.
Yes.
What up the whole of them things I want to tell you? 10.
10.
March 10.
The bond.
The band. You hear that?
Here's a new thing Ratty likes to do, is ride my left arm as I try and lift him up.
Yes, right. The man of my work.
Oh, gosh. Hold on. Oh, dear.
Right.
Oh, that looks delicious already, and there's nothing in it.
Seasoning, sir.
Okay.
Seasoning this one, you know. Bring up the fish, you know. Get up the fish, brother. Fish turn up tonight. That's the thing. Turn up tonight, brother.
You know, so right now, I'm going to go buy ice cream and I get no. I can't go get that. Sit down with me and sit down.
So what's in the seasoning, do you know?
Well, see, this I same type of season when I use all the while, you know, but you're not season, you know, that one, yeah?
Yeah.
That kind of different kind of season, you know.
Where'd you catch the seasoning from?
When we get the season, nice supermarket down there.
Where you go?
Okay.
See?
It's your all-purpose kind of spicy.
Yeah.
Not too hot, but just flavorful.
Well, never put something that don't eat spicy pepper.
Mmm.
I fish that, you know. Wicked shot, man. Wicked ain't no boil up yet, I nothing, you know?
Mm.
True, man. Hey, bless up. Spoon and bag. That one on the good?
Yeah, looks good. Salute the spoon and fork.
Yeah, salute.
Spoon and fork.
Yeah.
Everyone, at attention.
Yeah.
Spoon and fork.